I got moments in my camera, and I can't wait to show you them. I got visions in my mind that I'm about to compose for you. I see beauty through the lens, each click captures your grace, and the world comes alive every time I frame your face. I adjust the light and shadows, making magic seem so real with each edit. I'm bringing back the sparks that I can feel. I get thrills when I catch your beauty. I get thrills when I capture the moment. In my vision, perfect lines draw you closer still. I got colors in my palette, with each edit I fulfill. Every image tells a story, memories stitched with delight. As the pixels breathe their life, they become timeless in the light. From the moment to the edit, I'm creating art divine. You're the muse, and with every shot, your magic intertwined. I get thrills when I catch your beauty. I get thrills. All the frames that hold our laughter, every clip writes our history. In each photo there's a heartbeat, sealing love's sweet mystery. Holding tight to what we treasure, imprints of our finest days. We'll relive it through the images, our warm and fade away. I get thrills when I catch your beauty. I get thrills when I capture the moment.